Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start a new lecture for math workbook of class nursery. Now let's open your math workbook. Dear student, according to our planning, it's week 11. First of all, mention the date on the top and the day, whatever the date and the day is. Student, today we are going to learn our workbook page number 37 to 42. It's page number 37. Dear student, today our topic is adding more 1 to 5. As we learned in our previous lecture about the adding 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more and 5 more. Now, before we start the topic, first of all read story with me. Sarah has many pets and she has 5 cats, 1 dog and the 2 fish. She takes care and loves all the animals. She gives them food and the water on the time and she plays with them. Dear student, she is Sarah and she has 4 cats and the 1 dog and the 2 fish. Student, सारा के पास 4 cats हैं, 1 dog है and 2 fish हैं और वो उनका बहुत ख्याल भी रखती है और वो उनसे बहुत प्यार भी करती है. वो उनको टाइम पे खाना भी देती है और पानी भी देती है और उनके साथ खेलती भी है. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, क्यूट कैट हाउ मेनी स्पॉट्स? 1 spots and 4 more makes 5 spots. Now look here, there are 5 spots on the cat, but we are going to add 4 with 1. Now, first of all, trace the 1 with me like this. It's 1. 1 plus 4. Now, adding 4 with 1. Here, the 4 spots. Trace these spots like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots. 1 plus 4. How many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4, it's make 5 spots. Now trace the 5 in the box like this. The next one is 5 plus 2. How many spots? 5 spots. 5 spots and then 2 more, it's make how many spots? Now first of all count spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spots. Now trace the 5 like this. Plus 2. Adding 2 more spots. Now 1, 2. Now count all these spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 5 spots and adding 2 more spots, it's become 7 spots. Now write 7 in the box like this. Now dear student, the next one is the 7 plus 3. First of all, trace 7 in the box like this. It's 7. Now how many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spot and 3 more spots. Now first of all draw 3 more spots. 1, 2, 3. 7 spots and then adding 3 more spots, it's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many spots? 10 spots. Write the 10 in the box like this. The next one, it's 4 plus 3. First of all, trace 4 like this. It's 4 plus 3. Now, first of all, count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots. Now draw how many spots? 3 spots. Draw 3 more spots. 1, 2 and 3. Now 4 spots and 3 more makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many spots? 7 spots. Now write 7 in the box. The next two you have to complete with the help of your parents. Now dear students, on page number 38, it's crossing out 1, 2, 5. As we learned about adding more, it's mean we add, हमने जमा किया. Now we are going to cross. अब हम क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस आउट करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे. बट बिफोर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल read with me. Abdullah and his father were coming back from masjid. अब्दुल्ला और उसके फादर मस्जिद से वापस आए. After offering their Jummah prayer, and they saw a poor man at the road, and Abdullah's father gave some money to poor man, and he was so glad, and he thanks Allah's father. He thanks Abdullah's father. Dear student, he is Abdullah and his father, and they were coming back from Jummah's prayer. उन्होंने एक पुअर मैन देखा जो कि रोड पर बैठा हुआ था. अब्दुल्ला के फादर ने उसको कुछ पैसे दिए, जिस पे वो बहुत खुश हुआ और उसने अब्दुल्ला के फादर को थैंक्स बोला, उनका शुक्रिया अदा किया. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, ये बहुत अच्छी आदत है कि हम गरीबों की मदद करें. नाउ ऑन टू द टॉपिक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज इट्स क्रॉसिंग आउट and we are going to cross out the number from the given number, as the first one is 10 minus 5. First of all, trace 10 like 1 and 0. It's 10. 10 minus 5. Now count all these coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total 10 coins, and minus we have to subtract 5 coins. Now cross out the 5 coins like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 10 coins and minus 5 coins. Now it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many coins? 5 coins. Now trace the 5 in the box like this. The next one. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 coins. Total 6 coins. Now trace the 6 in the box like this. It's 6 coins and minus. Now cross out how many coins? 2 coins. Now cross out 2 coins from 6. 1, 2. Now how many coins left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 coins. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now write the 4 in the box like this. Next one. Now first of all count the coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many coins? Total 9 coins. Now first of all trace the 9 in the box like this. Total 9 coins minus 3 coins. Now cross out the 3 coins from 1, 2, 3. Total 9 coins. Now cross out the 3 coins. Now how many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 coins. Now write the 6 in the box like this. The next one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 coins. Now first of all trace the 4 in the box like this. It's 4 coins. Now cross out how many coins? 3 coins. 1, 2, 3. Now how many coins? only one coin. Now write the 1 in the box like this. Now dear student, likewise you have to complete the next two working. Now dear student, it's page number 39. And the topic is the recognition of numbers 0 to 20. As you already learned about the numbers 0 to 20, and we will revise it again and again. Now again we are going to write the number 0 to 20 in the box. Now write with me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one is 20. Now dear student, here the shapes revision. The first one is the circle, and we use the red color for circle. The next triangle, we use the blue color for triangle. Next square, we use the yellow color for square, and the last one is rectangle, and we use the green color for rectangle. Now dear student, you have to color in these chairs with the help of your parents, neat and clean. Now the next one, it's an activity, shapes revision. Can you make pictures using the shape? Here the first one picture, it's a boat. Now dear student, we are going to draw a picture by using these shape. Now it's an activity, as I am going to draw a picture for you now by using the shape. Dear student, I am going to draw a shape of a robot by using the square and triangle, rectangle, and a circle. Now, dear student, first of all, I draw a square like this. You also draw a square with the help of your parent like this. Now I am going to draw the eyes by using the shape triangle. Just like this, draw two triangles for eyes of robot. Now for lips, I will draw the rectangle. Now dear student, for body, I will draw the rectangle. Now draw like this. Now for arms, first of all, draw the circles on the corners, half circle like this, and then this. Now draw again a triangle shape like this, and now draw a square like this, and again like this. It's first one arm, and now repeat the process on this side. Now dear student, for legs, draw again a rectangle, a straight line, again a straight line, and just like this. Now for shoes, draw a circle like this and this. It becomes a robot. Now you have to draw the next picture by using the shapes with the help of your parents. Draw the picture according to your own choice. and also color these pictures neat and clean with the help of your parents. Now dear students, page number 41, revision of shapes. Color the cube pink and cuboid purple. As we know about the color of cube is pink, we use the pink color for cube and the purple color for cuboid. Now dear students, with the help of your parents, just color the cube and cuboid pink and purple. The last working is page number 42. It's a new topic, money, means paise. Look at these coins, recognize and color them. As your student, hope so you are familiar with these coins. The first one is rupees 1. As it's the shape of rupees 1, it's 2 and 5. It's a coin of 1 rupees, it's 2 rupees and it's 5 rupees. Now color them. Now dear student, we will use the grey color for rupees 1, 2 and 5 as the color of coin 1. 1 coin जो है, जो हम 1 रुपये का जो coin होता है उसका कलर भी ग्रे होता है, 2 रुपीज़ का भी और 5 रुपीज़ का भी. So we will use the grey color for. Now dear student, it's a grey color. Now we will use the grey color for rupees 1 coin, 2 coin and the 5 coins. Now just color the coins like. Now dear student, just like this, color all these coins. The next one is match each coin to its picture. Now the first one is it's rupees 1. Now just match rupees 1 with the picture. Now which one? This one. Now match the rupees 1 coin with the picture like this. The next one is it's 2 rupees coin. Now make the picture with the like this. Now the next one is also the rupees 2. Just make the coin with the picture. Match it's this one. Just make like this. And the last one, it's rupees 1. Just make this coin with the picture. It's like this. Now dear student, here the picture, it's a Bachai mosque. The next one is Qaid Azam, the great leader. This one, it's a flag of our country. And the last one is Mazar of Azhar Shehbaz Qalandar. Now dear student, the next one page is your homework. It's page number 43. Color the 5 rupees coin. As we color the 5 rupees coin grey. Now color the grey in these coins, and now also the match the given coin with the number. Now the next one is also draw the shapes with the help of your parents. It's your homework. Now dear student, it was all about today's working. Now take care of yourself and complete your work with the help of your parents. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.